Hi guys, my name is Suma and I'm from Team Binary Blazers. Now I'm going to show you an user authentication registration page. It contains two different pages, login and sign up, and also a navigation bar in the form of handle. So this is the output we are going to do today. Coming to the code, first create a folder called user page and then open it in VS Code. Create two different files for HTML and CSS. Name it as index.html for HTML and style.css for CSS. And whatever the images you'll be using, upload it here. Coming to the code, first let's see a doc element. First let me go live. Now coming to the code, doc element is this. I've given a title named as login page. And I have linked the CSS file to HTML so that we can get the output. And also this is for font. This link is for font and this particular link is for icons used. So this is the head part. Coming to the body part, let's create some divisions and so this is the body part for navigation. That is the top part. So these are the annotated lists for the top navigation part. See this for this home, blog, services, and about etc. These are the lists we used in navigation menu, which I have named it as nav logo in the class wrapper for navigation bar. Now next, let's create a box, which is this form box. This particular text is shown. So for that box, let's give a name called form box. And also for login, we have to give another box. So this is the login box for login form, giving it as a login container class. So in login page, we have this don't have an account and username, password, sign in. So these details are given in this particular container class. See, don't have an account, sign up, login, and placeholder is email. So for this particular required form, it gives us an indication that we need to fill this form, etc. So that is user wish. If you want, you can add, otherwise not needed. And just remember me forgot password are given in other different classes. And then let's go for a sign up page. For that, I've given another container called register container. See, registration form, I've named it as register container. In this registration, we have a first name, last name, have an account. So two different forms are there. And we also have date, gender, email, password, etc. So that all things I've added here. Terms and conditions and also other things required are been added here. So and also we have few function elements over here, which is a little bit of JS. That is this one, and see this is a function called my menu function. I've taken this function so that I can use it repeatedly, and also given variable names for this buttons. These two are the functions I have used for login and registration so that we can use it number of times. Now coming to the CSS code, first let's import an URL for font. So this is the font I have used pop-ins. This we can find it from Google. And coming to next, let's give a margin and all for our box. So that will be this one. We have given 0 margin. Yeah. So this is normal HTML output what we have got, but we need it effectively, right? So let's add some CSS. So this is for outer layer of our output. Next, for the body, we'll give some CSS like background size. Background size will be covered. That's it. That means whole background will be covered, and no repetition for the image. Overflow is hidden. Yeah. Next, coming to our after that, first class is wrapper. So for wrapper, we'll give the CSS. So this is for wrapper. Display content, display, justify content, align items, max, min height, and background. So this is the background color I have taken, black to this color to this color. This is linear gradient, so we'll get double shaded color. You can give your wish color so that your output will be changing. Next, coming to navigation part. So this is the navigation part, like top handle part. The position will be fixed, and we needed it top, so top will be 0, and display is flex, so we can adjust its display. Like if we open in mobile, it will be adjusted to that screen only, like that. Here also I've given linear gradient for different colors. And next, coming to navigation logo and navigation menu part. This will be the logo part, that is here. See, we have got welcome, that will be the nav logo, and the unordered list we have given here, right? Unordered list, home, blog, services, and menu. For that, we have given display as flex. And coming to the other navigation part, this will be the other navigation part, like text decoration will be given nothing, so none. Font weight, color will be white so that it looks effective, so we have taken white. And next, we will add some hover effect to the link so that it can be added as so this is the link for the bottom, so that we have got some effect to it. Coming to the button of navigation bar, that handle button, for that CSS will be this one. Its height, width, and all are changing. And so this is what we have given CSS for sign in and sign up. For that, we'll give some hover effect, like it changes its color. This is the color I've given, so that when we go near, it changes its color. Some different color you can give as you wish. Next, coming to button. So this is the next one where we have got this white background, white buttons highlighted. Next, coming to the form box. For form box, the CSS will be this one. So its position is, see, this box has got highlighted. And we have already linked the image. So see, this is the image, final image. So image also got in the output. Displays flex and align items are in center. Width will be 510 pixel. You can change it if required. Overflow is hidden. And next, coming to login container. This is for form box. That means only for this particular box we have given the CSS. Now we will give it for login box and also the registration box. So this will be that login container and registration container. So this can be adjusted as your wish. The position will be absolute actually. Then transition 0.5 seconds. You can give it more or less if required. Next, coming to span element. This will be the span element. So this don't span element is given over here. See, don't have an account, that one. So it got in its position. Now coming to the header part. This will be the header part. And then we have two different forms. We have two different forms over here. That is first name, last name, date, gender. Two different we have. Two forms are first name, last name, and CD is for date and gender. So input field is this mail and password. We have given hover for this with a background color, this one, so it gets changed when required. Now coming to the placeholder and input box. This will be the input box position. Relative top is minus 35 pixel, left is 17 pixel, and color will be white. Then submit button, submit hover will be this one. This is the submit button CSS. So this register or in sign up page, sign in button. This is the submit button. So this is the hover effect we have given for that. This particular color we have given so that it changes when hovered. Next, coming to two columns class. So this has got adjusted this in particular position and also given some hover effects. For navigation part, this handle is created, right? For that particular part, this is the CSS. For navigation part, see it got closed and created a handle over here. For that particular part, this will be the CSS. And next, coming to this hyperlink, the CSS will be this one. So this will be the CSS for that hyperlink. So this is the particular output we required. This is the original output and this is the required output with a handle over here. This will be getting highlighted when required. We have added hover for this also. So particular box we have got a background image and this background we have given linear gradient. So this is the CSS code and this is the HTML code for that output. Thank you.